Hi, everyone. My name is Smriti P, and I am a Magic mentor. I am also a mentee alum and also a GMS alum. And today I'm excited to be interviewing Kayla, the mentee from GMS, and Komal, her mentor. We'll kick it off with some introductions. Kayla, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Kayla. I'm in seventh grade and I go to the girls' middle school.
Thank you. And Komal?
Yeah, hi, I'm Komal G. I am a Magic mentor, and this is probably my third year mentoring with Magic, and I am a software engineer at Google.
Thank you. Kayla, could you summarize what your project was in a couple sentences?
Um, it's called This Is Box. It's where you play as a box and get through levels without with collecting coins and getting around TVs.
Right, and I had the privilege of attending the final presentations, which was just 2 days ago. So I forgot to mention earlier, but congratulations. You did a wonderful job presenting, and it was very exciting to see the project and hear about your experience. Congratulations to Komal also. So for the project, This Is Box, this game, what was your inspiration? Why did you want to create this?
It kind of just like I just kept changing my project. It was just like whatever I could find that would help me. And like I use prefabs from Unity, which are basically prefabs. And they're basically just like little like skins for your maps and stuff that would help you so you can only focus on the coding. And so I just like was scrolling to find the free ones and I found one. I was like, okay, I'll just use this.
Nice. But what made you think of a game, versus a website? Or I'm assuming you wanted to do something with programming, it sounded like.
Yeah, I wanted to do something with programming. Um I knew I wanted to do a game like Dadish, which you're like a radish that's a dad, and you go through the level to try to find your kids. I wanted to do something like that, so I tried to like turn that into my own little thing.
Very cool. Yeah, I was rewatching the demo, and towards the end, the levels get so hard. But it looks like a lot of fun to play. What
Yeah.
was what was your favorite part of the project?
My favorite part was probably creating the levels, like making them math, and also like coding the evil TV that like followed you. That was kind of fun
Yeah.
because it like kept drifting towards the wall and then like ramming into the wall and going back. So it was cool to see.
Yeah, very cool concept. Komal, have you made a game before? What was this process like for you?
No, actually, I have never made like a video game before. I had worked with mentees before who built a website sort of a game, but this was something which was completely new for me as well. So I also had a lot of fun learning the basics of Unity and how to build a game.
Right. That's very cool. I mean, Unity, I can't even imagine. And the first time I touched Unity, I'm also a computer scientist, but was in college and it was quite complex. So hats off to the two of you. Um, a couple of final questions. Kayla, now that you've gone through this whole process and you've graduated into being an alum, do you have any advice for future mentees?
Um, Probably start with a simple project, and if you're done with that, add on. Because I kind of went over my head trying to do everything the first time. So I would say start small and maybe
Mhm.
do like code one level, one character. And then when you're done with that, you kind of know how that works. Code a second character, maybe a monster, the keys, like everything else. Yeah.
Yeah, that's really good advice. Taking that kind of approach with, even outside of computer science, I think is always helpful. Um, and Komal, do you have any advice for future mentors?
Sorry, had some unmuting problems. Yeah, I think my only advice from all my mentoring experience has probably just been like I guess, listen to your mentees. We've always had, I have always had the pleasure of working with amazing mentees who come up with great ideas and great problem solving skills. So yeah, just follow them along. And I guess we're just along for the ride and to learn from them.
Exactly. Okay, well, thank you so much, Kayla and Komal, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.